Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rao_KE and my balcony, and today the weather is so good. The rain has stopped and the cold season is gone. So we are now on spring season. It's not raining so much, but it's a bit warm. And I decided to clean my balcony because we've not been using the balcony since the weather started becoming cold. So now that the weather is getting warmer, we need to use our balcony a lot. So it's time to clean the balcony. Come on guys, let's clean the balcony with me. This is my balcony. My kitchen garden is over there. My balcony table is here. It's over here. And it's not been so clean, so I'm going to start by tidying up this space. Whew. This one I'll put aside for now. So I'm going to start by cleaning this table because it's actually very dirty. And I'll have to move it to where we need it to be. So I'll move the tables. The chairs are so dusty. Winter is gone. Now we need our space. This has been abandoned for the past about 4 months. We've not been using this. Need something to pour with. I'll pour some water on this table like that. The chairs also have to be cleaned. Woo! So dusty. It's been about 4 months we're not using this place. Because most of the time when the weather is fine, this is where we eat our meals. We eat our breakfast here on the weekend mostly. Today is a thorough cleaning day. I've been cleaning the house the whole day. Now it's time to clean my balcony as well. Okay, now the seats look okay. During the cold weather, we don't use the outside space because it's too cold here. Let's have to be clean. look outside, you can see there's a lot of sunlight. It's a bit bright. My kitchen garden is doing well. Maybe I have to move my camera a little bit so that you can see it. Then maybe I can set my umbrella. Day. This is the flower vase that I always use for my table over here. It's been out here for 4 months. You can imagine 4 months without using it, and you can see how it looks like. So I need to clean it and get a new flower for this. Thank you guys for watching. I don't take it for granted. And I thank you all for always stopping by to check on my videos. I'm Rao_KE. See you in the next video. Bye.